Hello friends, let's work out on this solution part. Question number 1, where there are 3 people P, Q and R and the ratio of the amount with them is given here, because it says that the Q has 25% more than what P has. So that means we have a P and Q ratio, and R has 1/5 of what Q has. Again we have R to Q ratio, so we can find out the continuity ratio between P, Q and R. So let's write down here P, Q and R, and the first statement, Q has 25% more than P. So Q has 25% more. So if P has 100, Q has 125. So the ratio of this is 4:5. With 25 it gets cancelled 4 times and this 5 times. So it's 4:5. And the other one, R has 1/5 of what Q has. That means R is equal to 1/5 of Q, which is nothing but R by Q is equal to 1/5, where R is 1 and Q is 5. So let's take, as Q is already 5, take R as 1. So the money with P, Q and R are in the ratio of 4:5:1. And it is said that rupees 150 together has. I need to find out how much money P alone has, and the P alone has 4 parts out of the total 4 plus 5 plus 1, that is 10 parts. So the P money will be 150 into 4 parts over total of 10 parts, 4 plus 5 plus 1, that's 10. So which is nothing but this gets cancelled, and 15 4 60. This is my answer. So my option choice 4. Let's move on to the next question. That's question number 2. Here allegation mixture question. Jar A has 36 liter of mixture of milk and water in the respective ratio of 5:4. Jar B, which has 20 liter of mixture of milk and water, was emptied in jar A, and as a result jar A, the respective ratio of milk and water become 5:3. What was the quantity of water in B? So let's understand the question first. So there are 2 jars, jar A, and the quantity of mixture in jar A is 36 liters, in which the milk and water are in the ratio of 5:4. Now another jar B, it has 20 liters of mixture of milk and water, and I do not know the ratio of it. What is the milk and water ratio? Now what is said that 20 liter of mixture is emptied into jar A. So this jar B is poured in jar A. So as a result the milk quantity will increase, and so is water. Now the question asked is, after pouring jar B in jar A, the milk and water ratio is become 5:3. Then you need to find out water quantity in jar B. So this part is given to us. This is not the part of solution. Okay. So what should I do? I know how much water is there in jar A, and I also know when jar B is poured in jar A, then 36 plus 20, that's become 56 liter of mixture. In this 56 liter of mixture, we also know how much water is there. So let's work out. Initially in A, how much water is there? That is 36 into 4 part is water out of 9 parts. So 4/9, this gets cancelled 4 times. So 16 liter of water is there in jar A. And when B is poured in jar A, that is A plus B, now the quantity is become 20 plus 36, which is 56. In this 56, water part is 3 part out of 8 parts. So take the 3 parts out of 8 parts. So 8 7 56 and 7 3 21. So the water is become 21. In jar A it was 16, jar A plus B it's 21. So where from this extra 5 liter comes water? This 5 liter water extra comes from jar B. So my answer should be 5 liters, option choice 1. So do not confuse, this part is only I explained that what is there in the question. This is not the part of the solution. That your solution is here. Okay, let's move on to the next. Here the age ratio, it's a problem on ages. 3 years ago the respective ratio between A and B's age was 9:5. 3 years ago. That means A minus 3 by B minus 3, it was 9/5. Next, if A's age 2 years hence will be 17 years more than B's age 5 years hence. So let's express the same as an equation. A's age 2 years hence, that means A plus 2 will be equal to 17 years more than, it says 17 years more than B's age 5 years hence. So B plus 5 plus 17, 17 years more than B's age 5 years hence. So what's the question? B's present age. So these equations are given to us. Now my solution is here. Now what I understand is, by this expression I get one equation with A and B. Let's frame that equation. That's 5A minus 15 is equal to 9B minus 27. 9 into 3, 27. Okay, so 5A minus 9B, which is equal to minus 27 plus 15, which is minus 12. This is equation 1. From the second information, we will get the second equation, A minus B, which is equal to, that is here the sum is 22 and 22 minus 2, it's 20. So I get the second equation here. Same with left hand side, A and B. So by multiplying the second equation by 5, I will get this 5A and 5A. I can cancel A. I will get the B's percentage. Let's do it. So this is 5A plus minus 5B is equal to 20 into 5, which is 100. And this one 5A, equation 1, minus 9B is equal to minus 12. Now if I subtract this, then this gets cancelled, and plus 4, this is 4B, which is equal to minus minus plus, and it will become 112. So 4B is 112, then what is B? B is equal to 428 and 48, 32. That means age of B is 28 years. Your option choice 4. So you can see, option choice 3. Next question. It's about number series. What should be the next number? So I can see the number is in a descending order. Whenever the numbers are in a descending order, mostly either they are in division or subtraction, other than some squares and cubes and all. So what I observe here, from 400 to 200 to 100 to remain 195. So it seems like subtraction. Let's take the difference from here to here. Now I observe that the difference is 243 from this to this, and the difference from here to here is 81, and the difference from here to here is 27. Similarly, the difference from here to here is 9. Now when I observe the difference from here to here to here, the relation in this 243 divided by 3, I get 81, 81 divided by 3, I get 27, 27 divided by 3, I get 9. So the next difference should be 9 divided by 3, it should be 3. So take 3 here, minus 3, so 95 minus 3, it should be 92. Do we have option 92? Yes, option choice 2. Okay, let's move on to last question. Okay, let's answer question number 5. It's about mensuration. The sum of the dimension of the room length, breadth and height is 24 meter, and its length, breadth and height are in the ratio of 8:7:5 respectively. If the room is to be painted at the rate of rupees 12 per square meter, what would be the total cost incurred on painting only the 4 walls of the room? Okay. Now, to find out the cost of painting 4 walls of the room, I need to find out the area of the 4 walls, that is total surface area, which is equal to 2h into L plus B. Now I need to get L, B and H, and for that we have the required information. This 24 meter is the total dimension, and whereas the length, breadth and height are in the ratio of 8:7:5. By using this ratio I can get the length, breadth and height. Let's do it. That 24 into, that's 8, 7 and 5 by 8 plus 7 is 20, 15 plus 5 is 20. So this gets cancelled with 4 5 times, and this is 6 times. So 6, 8, 40, and 40 divided by 5, that will be our length. So let's write down this L, B and H. So length is 48 divided by 5, 48. That means 5, 9, 45 and 30 is left, it's 6. Coming to breadth, 6, 7, 42 and 42 divided by 5, which will give us 8.4. And regarding the height, that 6 into 5 divided by 5 is nothing but 6. So we got that length, breadth and height. Simply use the formula to get the area and then multiply it by rupees 12 to find out the cost. So let's do it. 2h and h is 6, that is 12. 12 into L plus B, that's L plus B is 17 and 18. So 12 into 18 is nothing but 2, 8, 16, carry 1, 21, 216, 12, 8, 96, 1, 9 and 12, 1, 12 plus 9 is 21. That's right. Now I need to find out the cost. So cost is equal to 216 into 12 rupees 12 per square meter. So into 12, which gives us 12 6 72, carry 7, and 12 1 12 plus 7 is 19, carry 1, and 12 to 24 plus 2 is 25. So my answer is rupees 2592. Check your answer. First option 2592, option choice 1. Hope it is clear, and thank you for watching this.